In this video, I want to talk about how you can enable extended hours trading on Webull. Now to do this, I suggest you use the app on your phone since it's much easier. So what you want to do is open up the app, click on your profile and look for any trading settings. Inside of there, you want to find extended hours trading and turn it on from in there. Now it might come with some warnings that you have to read through and accept. And after that, you are now able to do extended hours trading. Now to do this, you just want to select any stock and click on trade, choose your limit, choose your order, and this is mostly a limit order, not a market one. And then under the time in force, you want to select anything like this, which is to have the extended hours on. Once you're there, just put your price and quantity and confirm the trade. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.